B-O-double-G. Let's remind people one more time.
That is crazy, Dave. Coming out. Isn't this an awesome place? There's a legalized marinara.
There's yellow here.
Half of those metals is on the black side.
I'm fanny waste. Drink the yellow here.
That's why the guy's like, Dissent, that sucks. Untapped, verified venue right here. Oh yeah. How long have you guys been here? 6 years. 6 years.
Rollin Oats. Good name. And why are we here?
Oat cream IPA with Rwaka, Motueka, and Nectaron. And that one is about 6 weeks. This is about 3 weeks. And this one is a triple with Simcoe, Citra, and Citra Cryo.
Okay, I gotta go. I got some business to take care of.
What you gotta say?
What should we get? A mango pepper?
Been talking about it all day.